friends, this is Photoshop, and I will show you why sometimes it seems like copy-paste doesn't work. So we have such a picture and another one, it's PNG, and I would like to copy-paste this boy into our background. So I'm copying him and trying to paste him on this scene, but nothing happened. It looks like nothing happened, but you see one new layer is added, but it looks like it's transparent. This is just because the picture is too large. Let us go to Edit, Free Transform, and now you see how big the new layer is, and let us do it smaller. I'm holding on those squares on a border and sliding them, and see, our boy appeared. That's it. So everything is okay. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.